Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about OpenBOM Design Projects and how to prevent others overriding your work using the file lock feature. So if you go into our training, you will see this view about how the file lock mechanism works. So you are able to lock files, so only you can sync changes to OpenBOM Cloud Storage. So how that works is you have a file lock column and you can select it. You'll see the username about the user that has the file locked. And you can lock more than one file. You can just drag and drop and lock multiple files or do a specific search and filter the ones that you want to work on. So when you have this feature enabled, other users cannot upload to OpenBOM storage. So you have also extra features to control this. If you go into settings, you have a new setting to only sync files that are locked by the user. So the default behavior is that you can still sync other files that are not locked just to enhance collaboration and have a more agile uploads. But you can, as admin, prevent that only the files that are locked are the ones that you can actually sync to OpenBOM storage. So you also see more information about when you go into more details, when you go into see more project information. So the file sync report will show you more information about which files are locked by others, files that you have modified and are locked by you. So you can see that on the project report. So that's it. See you on another video. Thank you.